Hi YouTube, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my auto repair videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the brake pedal from a 2003-2007 Honda Accord. Now, as you can see, we've already removed the steering wheel, but you don't need to do that at all. As for why you would want to remove a brake pedal, there could be various reasons. Like you got in an accident, you need to replace it, or it's rusted, you need to replace it. But either way, you don't have to remove the steering wheel because it's not necessary. Now the first thing we need to do, oh yeah, by the way, we're doing a lot of videos on dismantling this car, and that's why we have the steering wheel off, so go check them out if you want to. The first step is to take off this panel right here. So in order to do that, we're going to pry it off just so I can show you. There's one screw right here that you need to unscrew, and there are a few notches that you have to keep mind of when you take it off. They go in these few holes. And after that, there is a kick panel that on this side, you should be able to pry down and take out. There's only 3 notches that you have to keep mind of this time. As for taking out the brake pedal itself, very easy. There is, actually, first step, you can probably just remove this cable right here. To do that, there is a button you have to press down. This releases a clip and allows you to pull back on it. The clip is right here. Alright, so on the bottom, pardon me. So on the bottom, I don't think you can see it actually. So on the bottom is, okay, I'll look at these ones first. So there are 4 nuts, 1, 2, 3, 4 nuts that you have to take out here. And before you can take out those 4 nuts, you have to take out this bar right here, this metal bar or support right here. That takes out 2 bolts. And finally, there's one under that I was trying to get to first, but it's this one. Yeah, right there. So you can see right now, that's the last one that you have to take out. You probably have to use an extender for that one. But let's take off these first. So that means you have to take out this metal bar first. So let's get right to it. Alright, so as always, tools make it easier to do the job. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Alright, I had to make sure that I was spinning in the right direction. Alright. I think this is a number 12, and the socket we're using right now is a number 12, so take that out. That's 1 bolt down. Second one is this one that's vertical. I'm going to shine a light on it so you guys can see it. And there we go, the second bolt. You can set this aside for now. It's not really important for the brake. So next step is taking out these 4 bolts. Now, these 4 nuts. Now, let me test to see which socket they are. I think they're either number 12 or 10. This looks like it's number 12. I'm gonna need the longer number 12 socket. So let me put that on. And hopefully, so it is a number 12. And that is what the nut looks like. So after you take out all 4, when you take out all 4, the only thing that's going to be keeping it up, is the 1 bolt up there. So you might want to hold on to it when you're taking it off, just in case that 1 bolt isn't enough, but it probably is. Finally, hopefully this doesn't all come crashing down. Alright, so I thought it was going to come down. It didn't, and the reason why is because we took out nuts and they weren't bolts. So what it's doing right now is just resting on the bolts right now, so we don't have to worry about that. Now, this is going to be a bit tricky, and you might not be able to see this, but I'm now going to remove this top bolt. And alright, so checking this, it is a number 12. Alright, now we're going to put it on our impact driver. And I gotta be really careful because my head is below. But we're going to unscrew it. Okay. You want to be really careful because this might come down. But like I said, that's resting on the bolts, so we might not have to worry about that. Alright, let me set this to a number 3. And if that doesn't work, we'll have to use the bigger impact driver. Okay. So it didn't all come down on me, and like I said, it's because of the support from the bolts, and that's what that's what the bolt looks like. Alright, so let's see if we can take it off right now. And it looks like there's a bit of finagling we might have to do. It looks like there's something right here. There's a clip right here maybe that we have to take off. Alright, so from this angle you can kind of see it, but it's a bit hard. Now I'm going to point to it. There it is. Now this metal piece has a loop on it, and you can tell that there's a little tiny clip that you have to pull out, or a pin, using a pair of needle noses. Alright, so once I turned it around, you can actually see why it didn't come out when I tried to pull it out initially. It's that it has this bottom part. All I have to do is pull that out and loop it around, and there we go. The clip, or the pin, that prevented us from taking it out. Now, I think it should be able to work. Let's see. Oh, we might have to push this out. This little piece right here. The clip goes in like this. So, this is the moment of truth. Ooh, that's pretty nice. That came out smoothly. Now, I'd like to mention that when you take this out, there is a lot of grease. Like, look at my fingers right now. It is so greasy, so just keep mind of that if you don't like dirtiness. I don't really care about that, but you might as well. And I guess that's it. I'm Aiman, and I just showed you how to move the brake pedal from a 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord. And I don't really have much to say about it. It actually looks pretty cool, and it's pretty cool to see how you take it out. But I do a lot of videos like this on taking apart the car, as you can see from this entire cabin. And I guess that's it. I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Look at other videos on EYeOnAiman, and especially the taking apart the car videos. And I'll see you next time. Sorry, let me set that down. Signing out.